Hey coders, welcome to Swift in 60, where we break down Swift concepts in under 60 seconds. Today we're tackling functions, one of the core building blocks of Swift. Let's dive on in. Functions let you group code into reusable chunks. Think of them as your go-to recipes. Write once and use anywhere. Here's a function, say hello, write it once, and then boom, call it by saying say hello, and you'll have your output. Need flexibility? Add parameters. Here we have greet, name, string as the parameters, which lets you pass a name. When we call greet, name, whatever we have within the parameter will be able to print that out to the console. Here we have hello Swifty. You can even return values with functions. This one adds two numbers and returns the result. Call it, store the value, and boom, you've got your result. To quickly recap, functions, these are your reusable code. They take parameters and return values. See you next time. Dream big, code bigger.